And then, at the far end, I saw it. A circle, roughly drawn, maybe 5 feet across, etched into the barn floor in overlapping stains and soot. It didn't look recent, but it hadn't faded either. The markings had weight, intention. I crouched, ran my fingers over the edge. It felt charred, like something had been burned into the wood long ago. Next to it were old ropes, frayed and stiff, melted candle stubs. It didn't take much imagination to guess what had happened here. Ritual? Sacrifice? Madness? My chest tightened. I stood, feeling the barn press in around me. I backed away, closing the door again, trying to unsee what I had found.